What is the recent breakthrough by Google's quantum computer called Willow, which is a chip that uses quantum computing principles to solve real-world problems. It is a major step towards building a large-scale quantum computer that can solve real-world problems. Now, basically, today's supercomputers, which are way faster than what a normal computer can perform, comes nowhere close to the performance of quantum computer, which uses quantum mechanics, like the mother nature. So what are the interesting features of this Willow quantum computer? First of all, quantum error correction, which is there are many errors involved in quantum computation from the quantum computers that we know of today, but this chip basically reduces exponentially the rate of errors as it scales up. And the speed is quite staggering, because a normal supercomputer can take 10 septillion years, that is way beyond the time since the beginning of the universe, the Big Bang. A quantum computer or Willow can perform just in 5 minutes. So it does not mean that every problems will be solved faster, because we will not go by taking helicopters and aeroplanes for a short distance walk, but rather use foot or bicycles or cars to go short distances, while for long distance travels we use aeroplanes, maybe rockets in the future for the space travel. As it increases the level of complexity, so should the computing power match to solve the problems. And the other is the logical qubits. It stores bits and can be combined to perform operations like adding and multiplying. Now, Google is trying to develop quantum algorithm, which is the language that a computer relies on, that can solve real-world problems like climate change, like modeling different kinds of drugs for specific treatments of diseases, etc. In the future, of course, with today's digital computers, with today's security in banking sector, in bitcoins, as well as in other aspects of all digital platforms that human beings use, quantum computer has the advantage to break all the security codes and make everything transparent, and whoever achieves that feat first will be the winner. And China and United States are competing head to head on developing a workable quantum computer and achieve quantum supremacy. Now, China is also experimenting laser-based quantum computing system, which will be less prone to errors, because Google's and mostly American quantum computing technologies is based on superconducting qubits, which are very fragile, very prone to errors because of interference of external factors like radiations, fluctuations in temperatures, etc. But I think laser systems that uses interference and polarizations will have distinct advantage if ever realized in the decades to come.